It's Friday, February 11th, and I'm buying some Tesla puts here, the 900 puts at 34.63. This is puts out to next week. And what's developed here is, well, let me move these arrows out of the way. Today we have a 2 down day going, and the low of the day so far is 882.10, and I think we should be taking out the low of this bar at a minimum today on such a weekday, 880.52. So there's still a couple of points to go down to take out at least those stops, and now we're at the 890 area. So we have we've rallied a little bit from the lows up about 10 points, and I think there's going to be a dry. Here's the 15-minute chart. We hit the lows on the first push down. We're kind of rallying up here now, starting to fail on the 15-minute chart, and on the 5-minute chart, I'm kind of watching that too. We have like a 2 up, 2 down in this area. So again, the context is definitely to take out these lows at a minimum and maybe head much lower. On the weekly chart, what's interesting, although I don't think it could happen today, although you never know, we did have a failure on a 2 up, and we moved past the 50% of that bar. So that does kind of forecast hitting to the bottom of this bar, which I believe is in the 862 area. So that would be another 30 points lower if everything collapses today. It's a weekday in a lot of stocks. And again, I just think with Tesla at a minimum, well, if we look at the 15-minute chart, this little rally here provides an opportunity to get short and at least take out these intraday lows here. And that should, like I said, take out, well, if you look back here, it's kind of in that 880 area. I think that should break today, and then we'll see if that really triggers all the way down to the low end of the weekly chart as well. But overall, a lot of context in play here to try a short trade on Tesla. And in the bigger picture, I'm just trying to see, well, we'll see. Yeah, I mean, if this is going to be a failure and if it doesn't become a 3 bar on the week, by the end of the day taking out that low, then you're going to have a 2 up, 2 down week heading into next week to test this whole area again, down near 800. We'll see. Just have to watch the price action. But for now, I like the 2 down day. I like the weakness overall. I just like the weak pullback here. And like I said, at a minimum, I'm expecting those lows to be taken out intraday.